Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off text message forwarding on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to turn off your text message forwarding, so let's see how can you do this. For this you have to open your phone app and then go to dial, and here you just have to dial the code which is star hash 61 hash. You just have to dial it. As you can see, I have dialed it the same one, and here you can see if any service has been forwarding. Here you can see my no any service has been forwarding. So if your any service has been forwarding, so you just have to disable it. Just enter hash, then again hash, then 0 0 2 and hash. Now call, and after that your all forwarding services will be disabled. And that's how you can disable text forwarding service. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.